because our house is haunted.
Yeah, it's terrifying.
Wait, Chloe, is it on? Okay. Hey guys, today we're gonna expose all YouTubers trying to make 3 a.m. videos. Okay, what, 3 a.m.? Then we have slime. We're gonna do that at 3 a.m. Then we have one over there by the TV. Then we have this one over here. Well, time for bed.
Our gym.
Good night, Coley.
Oh!
3 a.m.
My apologies. I don't understand.
Okay, Google. Is there any
Skittles at
Yeah.
3 a.m.
No, don't get it.
There's a lot of Skittles. See? Nothing. Wait, these are really good. Oh, I'm so terrified right now.
I know, right? Ready?
Okay, what's next?
Bendy.
Okay.
Bendy. He has a heart head. You're just trying to prank me.
I didn't do that.
Well, that was interesting. Well, that's not normal.
There's no way.
This could move.
I know you're joking.
Run! Why'd you push me on the stairs?
Why did you think this 3 a.m. video was a good idea? Shut Mom!
Why does she have dirt on her face?
It's my nighttime facial mask. Really late and I'm tired. Let's go back to bed.
What are we gonna do?
Look at this thing about. We gotta get Mom back.
Let's get Mom. You turn on the light. I'll cover you.
We need a net.
We don't have a net, but we have a sheet. So we got the trip wire all the way up to our catching sheet. Out. We're getting Mom back.
Why is my gun not work on the ghost?
Just stop worrying already. Nice shot.
We got it. Let's go check it out.
What are you boys doing? Late! You guys are in so much trouble.
What are we gonna do now?
Well, I guess we can say it's like so real, like they're not fake. And it's
Don't have.
From the Diamond Boys TV. Werewolves are the scariest monster collection you got there,
Yeah.
dude. And alien poster.
Yeah.
Thanks for your picture, man. We're moving in 2 weeks, so bear with us here that Halloween coolest costume wins.
Yeah. Thanks for watching too, and give us a.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Down the stream, merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream, merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Okay, kids, today we're going out scorpion hunting.
Like them.
They'll glow with the scorpion flashlight. Do you know?
Awesome! Blue money, yay!
Do your teeth glow?
Probably because I just ate ice cream.
Oh. All right, let's go hunt for scorpions.
I'm scared to be honest, but whatever.
You're scared too? There he is. You see him? Oh, he's hiding. Let me see your stick. Come over here. Coley, back up, buddy. He's under here. Okay, so we lost him. I don't know where he went. Turn around, buddy. All right, we found him again. Look, guys, come here. I'm gonna search the ground around. He just looks flat. He's like...
Green ones have lots of poison, big ones don't.
Yep.
You don't want to get
Really all in this area here is like the utility box, and they like to go in to protect you. I'm gonna run if this thing comes after me.
I know.
I'm not gonna protect you. I'm gonna run. They eat. All come out.
Besides, when it rains, like they come out after because there's ants when we went over by the car.
No.
Like you can.
Got another one. There. Yeah. I can't get them out of there. They will hide behind these wall things here. Stay here. Stay here. Make sure there's none around it. You gotta sneak up. There he is.
The fact that it's almost Halloween, that there's just scorpions everywhere. If you're watching, please subscribe for more fun. Oh man! Oh, it's time to go back to school, Coley. Ready for the first day?
I'm excited to go to school.
That's just because you're in kindergarten. You just color all. That's not an option. Mom and Dad said I had to get you on school on time. We have to go right now. I have an idea.
What's your idea?
Get the drone to guard it. Coley, here's your backpack. We don't have all the time in the world right now.
Okay. Hey, drone. Even Mom.
You only have your shoes on. We're so late.
Roger. Scanning. Scanning. Scanning.
Whew, what a long first day. The drone.
Oh well, that's fine.
Oh, there's the drone.
Target eliminated.
What are we gonna do? We can't hide in here.
Well, let's go teach those appliances a lesson. Before those appliances know it, attention! Take this one. There's a bunch more in the other room. I'm reloaded.
Somebody call me junk man.
Yeah, those things are trash.
Boys, we're home.
Uh-oh. Okay, wait, guys, we can explain.
You know what? Don't even to start cleaning this giant mess.
Yes, Mom. Monster Wolf Tarongo. My mom told me 1 by 1. Well, that's gross. Let's hope there was nothing gross in the traps, and you can be comment of the week.
Yeah.
Next week is the second part of this Facebook page
And your Instagram page.
Good job. Click on our faces to subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.